Hello, this video presentation is on the equations of lines. We have three main forms that we're going to be looking at. Standard form, which you are very familiar with, you just don't know it, is ax plus by equals c, where a, b, and c are integers, no fractions, and a is positive. Notice that I give you most of the problems in the form of 2x plus 3y equals 6. This is always positive. It's always some number x, some number y equals some number. Never is it with fractions or decimals. Slope-intercept is y equals mx plus b, which we've been working with for the last several days. B is the y-intercept, where we cross the y-axis, and m, this number, just the number that I'm going to highlight here, m, is our slope. The new one, the really new one, is point slope. Point slope is written as m times x minus x1 equals y minus y1, where x1, y1 is a point. M, of course, is always the slope. Always, always, always. All right, we want to use point slope form to find the equation of a line with slope of 2/3 that passes through the point 9, 2. We always want our answer in standard form. All right, so let's begin. We have m times x minus x1 equals y minus y1. What we do is we substitute. We're going to put 9 in for x1. We're going to put 2 in for y1. And we're going to put 2/3 in for the slope. So we have 2/3 times x minus 9 equals y minus 2. That's it. That's all there is to it. Now, in standard form, we need to have no fractions, and it's got to be in the specific order. So we're going to kill the fractions. Distribute to 2/3. 2/3 x minus 2/3 times 9 equals y minus 2. 3 goes into 9 3 times, and we have 2/3 x minus 6 equals y minus 2. When we kill the fraction, first thing, and almost everyone did it right on the test, is distribute. We distribute before we kill it. And to kill it, we're going to multiply by 3. Both sides by 3. And we end up with 3 times 2/3 3's cancel. Minus 3 times 6 equals 3 times y minus 3 times 2. We distribute and end up with 2. I lost my x here. This x right here, I lost it. So we end up with 2x minus 18 equals 3y minus 6. All right, if you remember, up here, standard form is written like this. ax plus by equals c. All right, so start with the x. That's positive. We got to get rid of the 18. And we got to subtract the 3y. I end up with 2x minus 3y equals negative 12. That's all there is to it. All right? This is in standard form. You have to memorize this equation. We're going to use it a lot right here. This unit, honestly, 25% of the test will use this. All right? You need to know this equation. Memorize it. And we just substitute and get rid of the fractions and arrange it in the proper order. Let's do one more example. All right, well, I bet you somebody caught this mistake. Before I went on to the next example, I checked my work. Negative 6 plus 18 is positive 12. That's a positive 12, not a negative 12. All right, hopefully you caught that. All right, let's do our next example. Same directions, point slope form, and it passes through a point in standard form. All right, remember, m times x minus x1, this is x1, equals y minus y1, this is y1. 3/2 times x minus 6 equals y minus 4. We distribute 3/2 x minus 3/2 times 6 equals y minus 4. 2 goes into 6 3 times, and we end up with 3/2 x minus 9 equals y minus 4. To kill the fraction, we're going to multiply by 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 2. Previous problem, I used parentheses and distributed. Either way is acceptable. 2's cancel, which is why we did it. We end up with 3x minus 18 equals 2y minus 8. Again, we want the y on the other side, minus 2y, minus 2y. Add the 18, plus 18, plus 18, and I end up with 3x minus 2y. These cancel, equals positive 10. Got it right this time. Equals positive 10. That's all there is to it. I hope this all made sense to you. And have a great weekend. Have a great day. Let's see, 6, 4, 18 minus 8 is 10. Slope is 3/2. Yep.